In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about pipes for plumbing so you can handle your home projects like a pro without freaking out. Alright? First up, when you're picking pipes for plumbing, you gotta know the type that fits your job. Copper pipes are solid for water supply since they don't rust and last forever, but they can be pricey. PVC pipes, those white plastic ones, are super popular for drain lines because they're cheap and easy to cut. Don't forget about PEX tubing. It's flexible and great for tight spots, plus it handles hot and cold water like a champ. Always measure twice before cutting pipes. Nothing worse than wasting material or messing up your fittings. When you're joining pipes, make sure you use the right connectors and sealants. For example, Teflon tape is clutch for threaded joints to stop leaks. If you're working with copper, soldering the joints tight is key. Sweating the pipe might sound intimidating, but just take it slow and use the right torch size. Also, keep an eye on pipe insulation. Especially if you live somewhere cold, freezing water pipes are a nightmare you don't want. And lastly, plan your pipe runs smartly so you minimize bends and elbows. Too many turns can kill water pressure and make clogs more likely. One of the biggest mess-ups I see with plumbing pipes is using the wrong kind of pipe for the job, like trying to run PVC where hot water's flowing. That stuff can melt or warp. Another common screw-up is not sealing joints properly, so leaks start dripping after a few days or weeks. And then there's the rookie move of ignoring pipe insulation in colder areas, which leads to burst pipes and major repair headaches. Fixing these is easier than you think. Just double-check your pipe types before buying. Always wrap threads with Teflon tape or use pipe dope for seals, and slap on foam sleeves or wrap insulation tape on pipes exposed to cold temps. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot if you're a homeowner looking to connect with local pros who know their plumbing stuff inside out. If you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to find steady work and build your rep in your neighborhood without all the hustle trying to find clients on your own. If you want me to break down any specific plumbing pipe types or help with a project step by step, just hit me up.